The world as you know it is about to vanish. For the last decade, we've been tethered to screens, looking down at our phones, hunched over our laptops, staring at glowing rectangles in our living rooms. We've been observers of the digital world, but never truly a part of it. That changes today. We have reached the event horizon of spatial computing. After years of rumors, leaked patents, and frantic development in the halls of reality labs, the Meta Quest 4 has finally arrived. This isn't just another headset. This isn't a toy for gamers or a gadget for tech enthusiasts. This is the moment the digital and physical worlds fuse into one seamless reality. We are stepping into an era where your desk is infinite, your cinema is the size of a stadium, and your friends are sitting on your couch even when they are thousands of miles away. But with this much power comes a terrifying question. Is the Quest for the ultimate tool for human connection, or is it the final wall between us and reality? Stay with me, because over the next 30 minutes, we are going to tear this device apart. We are going to look at the optics that shouldn't exist, the silicon that challenges the laws of physics, and why every other piece of tech you own is about to become obsolete. When you first hold the Meta Quest 4, the first thing you notice is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. Meta has finally cracked the code of Pancake Optics 2.0. The device is nearly 40% slimmer than the Quest 3. It feels less like a scuba mask and more like a pair of high-end ski goggles. The materials have shifted toward a breathable, premium fabric and a refined magnesium alloy frame. This is a device designed for hours, not minutes. The center of gravity has been shifted toward the back of the head, creating a weightless feel that makes you forget you're wearing anything at all. But the real magic starts when you put it on. The pass-through technology on the Quest 4 is the new gold standard. In the previous generation, there was always a slight grain, a tiny bit of warping, a reminder that you were looking through cameras. With Quest 4, that's gone. It features dual 48-megapixel sensors and a dedicated R1 style coprocessor that reduces latency to less than 8 milliseconds. When you look at your hands, they are there. When you look at your coffee cup, the text on the label is crisp and readable. This is mixed reality in its purest form. You aren't just seeing the digital world. The digital world is respecting your physical one. Shadows from virtual objects cast onto your real-world floor. Digital pets jump onto your actual furniture. The boundary is gone. Under the hood, we are looking at the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR3. This chip is a monster. We're talking about a 2.5 times increase in GPU performance over the Quest 3. This allows for foveated rendering that is so precise it tracks your pupils at 120 Hz. The camera only renders what you are looking at in full detail, just like the human eye. This means the Quest 4 can push graphics that rival a high-end PC or a PlayStation 5, all while being completely wireless. No cables, no sensors in the corners of your room. Just raw, unadulterated power strapped to your face. But let's talk about the display. We have moved into the era of dual OLED microdisplays. Each eye is treated to a 4K resolution per eye. The blacks are absolute. The colors are so vibrant they feel hyperreal. The HDR peak brightness has been boosted to 1500 nits. When you step out of a dark cave in a game like Asgard's Wrath 3, and into the sun, you will actually squint. It is that immersive. This display isn't just for gaming though.